Once you cut out the pieces, you should have 2 copies of each letter, as well as 10 side pieces. The 2 longest pieces and the 2 shortest pieces are the ones that go with the B, and the 3 medium-sized pieces go for each of the O's. I have already scored a line across each of the pieces, as I do not have a scoring or embossing wheel on my Cricut. However, if you've got a scoring wheel or embossing tool for your Cricut, feel free to use that instead. Or if you are printing and cutting by hand, then you may want to just stick a crease along there to get a nice clean edge. So to begin, I'll start with an O, I think. So we take the back piece and the front piece. So this is the longest piece. What we're going to do is we're just going to fold all of these tabs up at 90 degrees. Doing is gluing this all the way along the inside edge of the O, all the way around like that, and this should fit exactly to the base like that. I'm going to get some stick glue, and as this is on the inside anyway, we're not going to see it. I'm just going to run a load of stick glue around the inside here, quite a generous amount to help it stick like that, and then the outside finished edge of the O will be on the inside for this one, and so that means the tab will go on the outside. So we're going to put a bit of glue on this side of the tab also. Just quickly glue that to push that round a bit with your finger. So we're just going to push these around the outside edge, so we're sitting inside the edge slightly, so we don't have any of the creases visible. And next we are going to get the 2 medium-sized pieces. One is very slightly longer than the other. These are the 2 middle-sized pieces. Now one of these is going to be attached to the other, and as the finished side is going around the outside, the tab will be glued onto the inside again. So we'll put a bit of glue on the outside of the tab. We'll glue it to this side, and you can get a brayer and just to just squeeze out any air. I find you get a really smooth finish doing that. Right, and then we'll do the same again, but with the outside of the O. So this time we're going to bend all of these tabs on both sides, gluing this. So we'll put the glue around the base again. So again, we're just going to sit this roughly in place, and then we can quickly sure we're really pushing those into the glue to stick them properly. Generous amount of glue all over the back. I'm just pushing up on the tabs inside the O just to we've got 2 inner pieces. I folded the tabs in 90 degrees. This is going to be stuck like that, and the longer one is for the bottom piece, which is slightly larger, and the smaller one is for the slightly smaller top piece. So this is going to be curved inwards like that, and the tab will be stuck back to this here. I'm going to fold, and we'll have that as the base of the B letter. So we'll measure up to the top of the B, and we're just going to put a crease there. Just going to fold that in. Should now sit around inside of that. So we can put some glue. Tabs around the B, could do with a bit of an extra slice. Quite a tight corner. I might just do that one as well. Just cover the crease. And I'll turn it this way and just check there's nothing sticking out front that shouldn't be, so that could be coming back slightly. And then I'll do the same thing again with the other side. There are lots of ways you can make these your own. I'd love to see what you've made. You can post a photo of your crafts on the Bramble and Finch Facebook group page. I created some Halloween themed pom-poms to decorate a set that I left the front face off to create shadow box style letters. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with my future videos. I'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below and say hi. Thanks for watching.